We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Aitx. We got an update here from Steve Reinhardt on October 18th. The Roameo Gen 4 yesterday passed sustained long range complex autonomous navigation milestone. May do reveal at investor presentation, maybe before as clients are waiting. I'm ridiculously excited to bring this to market as I'm certain it'll be an amazing win for all MA MIAGD. I don't even know what that means, but someone let me know what MIAGD. I know what MIA means, but I don't know what GD. Missing in action. In action. Good night. No, good day. So Romeo, for those of you who don't know, hasn't been around, and they've been working on a new one. Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3, Gen 4, etc. So the game plan is to get this one out there in 2025. That's at least what I'm assuming. That combined with the Radcams, and if they continue growing the way they are growing and the way that they have been getting all these orders, getting more orders, because they used to come out with PR saying, oh, we got like 5 orders, 10 orders, 7, 1 order. Now we're getting like 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 from just one company. So if this continues, if we look at the performance of this stock this year, there was plenty of opportunity to make money off of this, especially with 348% year-over-year growth. And with each quarter, they continue to grow. If this is anything to go by, then I would expect next year to be an even better year than this one. This was a great year if you're a swing trader. If you're a long, it's not a great year, I guess, because it's not a great year if you're a long, because it's right back at the bottom here. Yeah, you're probably not too happy. The net return for longs is not very good. But for those of you who take advantage of what the OTC is, which is a pump and dump, that much we know. You just got to look at the past 3 years, and you'll see this has been money in the bank if you take advantage of the pumps and then dump it on the people who want to hold it on. And I believe that next year, 2025, will be even better than this one. And we will see multiple runs. Multiple. We saw 5 this year. 1, 2, 3. Here's a move here as well. 4. And then a nice pop here. 5. You can even include that one as well. But nice 25% there. Those are pops though. 25%, 50% pop. But huge runs, I believe we could see 2. We only got 1 huge run here from 0.02 to 1. But I think we'll get 2 next year. I could be wrong. I mean, 1. If we get 1, I'll be happy. But we could get 2. Because we would expect them to perform better this coming year. Bigger numbers. Bigger revenues. Bigger sales. More machines being put out there. Radcam. If that explodes, if that gets a lot of sales, we've already done the math on that. It can reach 30 to 50 million if it gets a lot of sales on those Radcams. And if we get some Romeos out there and those start selling too, if we look at just the positive side and we're just biased, let me be biased for a second. If next year everything goes right, we will see multiple runs. Not these little pops, multiple runs. I'm talking 200%, 300%, 100% minimum. We will get multiple of these. And time flies. It's October. We're headed towards November, then December. And if you guys recall, this stock loves to have runs at the beginning of the year. As you can see here, December ran here, and then it ran again. And then in March had another run. And it's had this pattern since forever. It loves to have a lot of runs towards the end and beginning of the year. And another one around mid-year. or in this case, March. So, a couple months from now, we'll be there. And I implore you to accumulate the stock if you believe it's gonna run again. I'm already in it with 20K. I'm just gonna sit on that. I can be patient. I waited what 8 months? What is it? Let's look at Bitcoin. I waited since March 14th of this year for Bitcoin to finally maybe go on a bull run. Maybe it won't go on a bull run. Maybe it won't break out of this downtrend, this bear market. But I bought Riot stock at 750. I'm up on it. I will take profit and I will be smiling year to year. Patience and discipline is rewarded in the stock market. And if you have that, I believe you will make a lot of money. And I believe you can have a 100% win rate like we had this year on the Aitx. We would expect much better performance, much more sales, much more growth year over year, quarter to quarter. No more 1, 2, 3, 7 expansion orders. 53 real units, 30 real units, 50. We're going to get so much more. It's just the beginning, guys. And I remember telling you guys this is just the infancy stage. Just wait until it really starts to grow. And then maybe, just maybe, we'll look at the revenues and go, oh, wow, they're making so much money that they don't have to dilute anymore. And maybe they start buying back shares, ridiculous, bring down that ridiculous outstanding share count. Maybe they bring the float so low that it can organically go to dollars. And this is the kind of stock that if it grows its revenues high enough, it can afford to give out a dividend as well because of its subscription model. So there's so much ahead. There's so much to be bullish about. I don't think there's anything to be bearish about. I'm trying to find if there's anything to be bearish about. If you look at the numbers, yeah, it looks pretty bad, especially the liabilities to assets, among other things, the heavy dilution. But hey, at least AITX communicates. That's why it's sitting at a higher share price than Aitx. And right now, it's barcoding down here at the bottom. The smart ones are accumulating. They're accumulating it right now when no one wants it. So don't be the one that chases it up for them and then you end up holding it back because they dump it on you. And that's it for the video. I will see you guys in the next 100% runner.